Hi there, this is Animesh and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use raw data in your data frame that is having a date column and convert that date column from an object into a datetime format and then extract the valuable information from that data variable for your machine learning and data analysis. So let's begin. So I have extracted a data from adaniports.csv. This is a raw data that contains information about the stocks, which also contains a very important variable, which is date, as you can see here. So let's see what this object of date is having in this data frame. So what I'll do is I'll type df.info and I get the data types. So I can see that date is having an object data type, but the data type should be a datetime format. So what I'll do to convert the string into a datetime format is I'll use the pandas to datetime function. So I will instantiate the df date as pd.toDatetime, and inside the parentheses I will pass the whole list of variables, and the format would be year, month, and then day. And on executing this, I get this converted. So now once the data is converted into a datetime format, now we can do the operations that we want to do to extract various values like day, year, month, etc. So how we will extract the day is we will be using the lambda function. So we will apply the lambda function with x.day. So this day function will give us the day value for each row, and we are applying this for every value in this column, that is date column. And let's execute this, and also let's just check whether we are able to extract the day of the month with this or not. So I'll just print this, and we can see that the days of the month are appearing in this particular column. Now similarly we can do the other operations, like I want to get the month, the year. So I will do a similar operation with this. I will just create these lambdas and I will pass month function and year function to each value in each row of this column, and it will give me the desired month and year. So I'll just execute it, and let's just check the whole data frame for top 5 rows. And what I see is there are the 3 columns being created: day, month, and year. Now let's see if we want the hour and the minute values also as a new variable or a new column, then how can I do that? Similarly, I will just create this lambda functions with hour function and minute function, and I will execute this. Let's just check the top 5 rows to see the changes that we have done. My bad. Okay, so now we can see we get the hour and we get minute as well. Now suppose we want to create a column that contains the weekday information. So similarly I will use this apply lambda function in the similar format, but I will use the function that is weekday. So this will give me the values from Monday through Sunday, starting from 0 to 6, and let's execute this. So point to remember here is that earlier function we did not use the parenthesis, but for weekday we are going to use the parenthesis. And let's check this, and we see that we get the weekdays as well, and the weekday starts with 0, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. But if we do not want that, we want the Mondays to start with 1, then we can just simply change this weekday to ISO weekday and then rerun it, and we get 1 to 7 is what we get. that is Monday as 1 and Sunday as 7. So now for example, if we want to extract only the time from this data and not the date, not any other value, so we can use a similar lambda and apply function, and here I'm going to use the time function inside lambda, and this also contains the parenthesis, and I'm giving this name as time. And then let's just check this one. I execute this and we get the time as one of the columns. So this is how you can convert the date column in a raw data, that is in the object or the string format, and convert it into a datetime format using the pandas to datetime function, and then extract the valuable information like we just did, like day, month, year, etc. I hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, see you.